Big companies are more powerful than ever before, controlling our economy, our governments, even our lives. But there's a force out there with even more power. You, us, the consumers. We provide the money that companies need to survive. We've always had this power. We just haven't been able to use it because we haven't been united. Until now. This is bUnited. Consumers who've joined forces and are speaking with one voice. The balance of power is shifting, and companies are listening. We're using this power to get discounts that only big groups can get on things like cell phone service, insurance, even gasoline. The larger we get, the more we can achieve. So that we're not just getting lower prices and better service, we're setting the entire agenda. Deciding how products are made and their impact on our planet, giving us the power to shape our future and our world. A real revolution is happening. All you have to do is sign up for free. Join the consumer revolution now.